Okay, hey, I wish to address this comment left in one of my videos exposing the fake AliExpress for the benefit of the other viewers that may happen to come across my videos in the future, right? I have to I have to clarify, in fact, about your comment about the AliExpress. Apparently, you are being scammed by something that is fake. So it is not the official and proper and legitimate AliExpress that myself being an affiliate marketer with it for some time now. So that is the reason why I have to voice it out. And I have made actually many videos for the past 2 years, right? In response to comments like this one. Of course, it is very unfortunate that you had been scammed by the fake AliExpress. And I also recommend you to check out my other actual tutorial videos to actually show you the correct way of getting yourself registered with the official AliExpress, which is also the opportunity to partner them to be their affiliate marketer. That means doing your marketing, right, in using the internet to create real buying customers by selecting the products of their platform, their shopping website, right, and putting in your effort to market and attract potential buyers for such products that you have selected. So in a way, I have already briefly explained to you, right, what is a legitimate official AliExpress affiliate program all about. So if you would like to know exactly, right, how you can get yourself registered and related marketing professional knowledge and skill sets, right? May I invite you to follow me first, and so that you can actually DM me, right, to get more informations from me. So in case that the other viewers don't really catch what I meant with the short answer that you are seeing in this comment here, right, about AliExpress, this user is referring to the online scams, which I call it the fake AliExpress, impersonating the trademark legal name of the official AliExpress. And the official AliExpress actually offered regular people like you and me to partner them on their platform to be an affiliate marketer. And these are proper channels for you to give yourself a chance in creating an online income by partnering the official AliExpress. So don't mind me to be long-winded. In fact, I'm just trying to be specific about this matter so that other viewers watching my video do not get the wrong impression about the official AliExpress being a scam. That is not true. So back to the user, I hope that you will move forward from this bad experience by actually investing quality time to learn internet skill sets like digital marketing, right? So that when you actually apply it, you can literally market anything of your choice. That would be my suggestion for you for leaving your kind comments underneath my video. And if you would like to need that kind of guidance or assistance, yes, right, I have set up 3 different channels that are mainly to serve an educational purposes in regards to people that are actively trying to learn how to use the internet to create online income. Number one, that will be my weekly TikTok live streaming. So look out for the notifications. Number two is that I have set up my private Telegram community whereby I regularly updated it with a lot of value adding training resources, guides, right, videos, and even ideas for you, right, in regards to affiliate marketing, right? That means selling other people's products, right? And the third channel will be my own newsletter email system, whereby when you provide me the email, my email system will periodically send out all this useful information for you to learn, right, about the online space in creating multiple sources of income, right? So if my message resonates with you and you're watching until this far, I assume that it meant something for you, right? So reach out to me, right? And I look forward to connecting with you.